Cats don't communicate only through meows. They have an entire sound vocabulary. Purring can mean happiness, comfort, or even pain relief. They sometimes purr to soothe themselves or even to calm you. Chirping is common when they see birds or bugs. It's pure hunting instinct. Trills, that cute rolling sound, usually come from sociable cats who want interaction or attention. Long meows often mean hunger, boredom, or a request for company. Growls and hisses, of course, are warnings. Understanding these sounds helps you respond correctly to your cat's needs. Every noise has meaning. Most humans just never learn the language.